Hey everyone, before I get on to it, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below and head over to my Patreon page and help support the channel. Today, we're going to look at 3 ways to cook wild lettuce. Right here on the island. I'm going to show you, we got some wild lettuce. Here's the wild lettuce. Lovely, nice stalks. It is true wild lettuce. But a lot of people mess up of thinking this is a medicinal plant. This is related to the same stuff that you get in the store. It has anti-inflammatory properties, but also romaine and iceberg lettuce also do. So we're going to use this in the same way as what we would use as the store-bought lettuce. First, we're going to need to wash our lettuce. And I already did, so what you're going to need to do is chop this up. Doesn't need to be fancy. We're rustic here, so you chop it up. And what we're doing is sauteing this with some oregano and some green onions and brown butter. I'm going to show you how to brown some butter. We got some butter in the pan, so let's turn on the stove. The butter is melted. And right at this point where it starts bubbling hard and then slows down, well, now it's starting to form brown butter. Now it's brown, I'm going to turn it down to medium and add some green onions. I'm going to bring it up off the heat just for a second. Then you want to add, after this is very quick, a handful of wild lettuce. Finish this off, because this is a quick dish. Some nice fresh oregano. So let's put this right into the bowl. Turn the stove off. Well, let's try it. I haven't tried it this way before. Really hot. It's good. And with the oregano, just that little bit of oregano has a nice little tingle kind of point of spiciness. Not like a hit hard when you bite into like jalapeno, more just gentle. And it's fantastic. Like this. Let's go with now number 2 way to cook with wild lettuce. First off, we're going to need some wild lettuce. So we're going to make a salad. So right here, let's maybe use some lemon balm. It's really good mint. Has a nice subtle flavor of almost like a sweetness. Lemony smell. Chives. And right here is a cranberry vinegar I have made. And we're going to put about a tablespoon of that. Mix it up. Let's try this. Ooh. It's like when you stick a lemon in a salad, a little citrus. That lemon balm really works. This tastes like a really nice salad, and I recommend making this too. Okay, right here we got some water boiling, so let's add some wild lettuce to the water. So what you're going to need for this recipe is some green onions, not a lot, 1 egg, farm fresh egg, some red pepper flakes, some sea salt. Right when this is hot, add some eggs and mix it right up. And then add some onions. Onions are great while fried, so add some onions. And at this point, we're going to add a pinch of salt, some red pepper flakes, add just a little bit of flour. Not a lot of flour. Mix everything up. And then we're going to throw this into the freezer. We're going to make the batter. First, you're going to need a farm fresh egg whisked up, some pinch of salt, a little bit of olive oil, mix that up, and then whole wheat flour. So just add the amount that looks like a really nice batter. Add some water. Okay, we got some hot oil over here. What we're going to do now is take, it's not completely frozen, we're going to take this, these veggies, make it into like a nice little ball, and coat it in batter. And add that straight to the fryer. Time to take it off the heat. So I'm going to cook the rest of them, and then I'm going to try them. I got the fritters done, or veggie balls you could say. Not really that round. So let's try it. A little bit of the onion and the wild lettuce. Oh. This is good. I recommend making this a lot. This is very good. So always remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.